हम तो आँख का ऑपरेशन कराएगा, लेकिन डॉक्टर है शुगर है।
125 तो
अच्छा
फिर भी आपको थोड़ा ध्यान है खाने में।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
ये जो ना आपको रेगुलरली टेस्ट करना, चेकअप करना पड़ेगा।
ठीक है सर, ठीक थैंक यू। खाली है
Depending upon the severity, how often it may come. So after that, then it may come. If it comes as soon as
At the first instance, I would like to express my gratitude to the SB Star Series for giving us the approval for organizing this free medical health camp. I also want to express my gratitude to the DMNHO ma'am for responding to our call, and after then sending the doctors. This free medical health camp, basically it is being conducted for the drivers and the policemen. The objective of this medical camp is that both the drivers and the policemen are on the duty. That has to face many challenges in terms of sound and noise pollution, whereas the driver also, they are suffering from the different ailments. Maybe we can say that the hypertension, then after that the neurological disorders, cardiovascular problems. So all these problems which may affect the health of the drivers as well as the police personnel also who are on the duty. So therefore, what we have planned that in coordination with the DMNHO office, as you could see that all the department doctors who are available here and all the peoples, that means all walks of the peoples, even the drivers, the policemen and the general public, they are availing the service. This is a good sign. Our motto is to remain fit so that we can perform better in the field. Thank you.
Sir, this is the first time for the police department of Meghalaya to organize this kind of awareness.
No, this is the second time. Last year we had organized the similar types of the programs, but that was only for the eye checkups. that we have already conducted, that we have organized in collaboration with the Bansara Eye Clinic. But this time we have done in generals that you could see that there are 7 to 8 specialists are there, whereas the X-ray, the deafness, and all sort of the treatments are available here. So I would request that all the publics, outside that the publics they are participating in a large numbers, the drivers also they are taking the interest. So this is a good sign, I could say.
So kemene nakabanta ka department jong ka traffic police ha ka baki invite ngi mo bengi nation banta ngi snow ba ka ko ke kya kare ka banong ko kare ka spa ba an ki babun dong ha ka jingbun kam ting ting ngi klet ban ayu ban sumaria lade an ka jingwan jungi ni da ka kum kani ka pani ba ki department ki long concern ya ka jingko jingkhia jong ki staff ki jongi bangin ayu bangin sumaria ki an nga songo kumanong no ya ka department ni ba ni ya ka pani ya ka concern baki.
I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Dr. S. Malvinya. I'm the Nodal Officer from the National Program for Control and Prevention of the Deafness, and we are here today as an invitation from the Superintendent of the Police Traffic, East Khasi Hills, as they're conducting this medical camp and awareness. And as such, from our department, we came from Civil Hospital Shillong and for screening of hearing loss, hearing impairment. Any patient or anybody having any decrease in hearing loss or having any difficulty in hearing or any ringing sensation in the ear, they can come here and avail the screening program that we are conducting today for any case of prevention of hearing loss and for detecting any early stage of hearing loss. So anyone having any problem, they can come here and we are conducting this medical camp as a free of cost, and they can come again for the review also in Civil Hospital Shillong for the PTA, that's Pupil Audiometry, and for the screening test for hearing.